Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. In this page here, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to above, you will search about CapCut and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page of app info, we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone. And thank you for your watching and your attention. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.